Nandito kami sa Grand Captain Waterfront Hotel sa Singapore. Ayan. This is a 5-star hotel. Ganda ng Singapore. Malinis.
Malinis talaga rin.
Bawal ang chewing gum. Bawal dumura. Sama ko si Sir Bong. Lalakad kami papunta sa Great World City Mall. May kasama kami, naiwan. Nantayin namin. Wow, ganda ng building, oh. Ganda ng kalsada rito. Nandito kami sa Great World Shopping Mall. Yeah. Mabibilis yung sasakyan.
Bilib ka, tutulin na yung sakyan, pero mabira ako dito. Kaya lang doon sa papuntang Europe, pag may na-aksidente,
Mga sasakyan dito, mga
apat ang ano.
BMW, mga Ferrari,
Pero pag nagbanggaan,
Mercedes. Ayun, bus dito, ganyan, oh. Awiran na.
Uy, bilis namang mag-cut eh, pambira.
Tumutunog,
Senior
oh.
citizen eh.
Sa Pilipinas, oh. Walang tunog yung ganyan, eh.
Tayo.
May food panda rin dito, oh. Guys, food panda, oh.
Dito talaga yan.
Sa
Saka
Grab.
yung Grab.
Oo. Dito magaling yan.
Dito galing yan.
Okay. Ginaya lang ng Pinoy.
Mga Singaporean.
Mahal lang cost of living dito, eh.
Oo, nilakad mo. Nilakad mo.
Pero may McDo dito. Pag sa atin, bumili ka ng worth 300 sa McDo. Kasi may McDo dyan sa baba. 800 dito. Grabe. Mahal.
Nakamoy ng durian.
May durian. Grab delivery dito.
Anak?
Grab delivery.
Oo. Kasi dito ang Grab at saka ano, Singapore, Lazada, dito sa simula. Shopee. Love.
Ano bang hinahanap natin, sir?
Hindi magkano tayo ng restaurant.
Kainan dito sa Great World sa Singapore. Great World Mall. So bago, first time lang ako nakapunta rito. Burger to.
Yeah, hiring, oh.
Part time.
Oo.
Mag-apply ako.
Pero part-time, $10
Per hour?
420 per dollar.
Ay, na.
Oh, US dollar yata ito eh.
Oh, US dollar.
Di 500 pesos. 500 pesos per hour.
Oh,
O maka-4 na oras ka lang.
2,000 na. Ayan yung niluluto niya. Pili tayo kung may mapipili.
So there was one that was just
Foreigner. Gutom ka na ba?
11
May 7-Eleven pala dito sa Singapore.
Yung minute stop, ano yun?
Same lang din. 7-Eleven sa Singapore. Ice cream niya, $5, 80.
Oo nga, $5 di 250. Pero siyang galon naman yun.
Yung Coke, 66. Scoop. Chinese restaurant. Imperial Treasure.
Asan ang
Steam. Doon sa kabilang entrance. Ay, sosyalin dito, ah.
pwede yan mo?
Ay. Buti na lang kasama ko si Sir Manny.
Oo.
Sosyalin
Yan
lang.
o, Chinese din.
Team Huwan.
Tanong natin
Kung pwedeng card.
Dito. Tatanong natin.
Imperial Treasure. Steamboat pala, restaurant. Oh, puro seafood.
O, di na. Kasi,
Yung kabila, Steam Huwan. Yung iba dyan.
ito, ano yun, Chinese.
Oh, iba naman to.
Cantonese, pinto.
Dimsum naman to.
Puro ano ito. We are Philippines. Do you have, what menu do you have? Do you have noodles? Noodles?
Noodles, bihon, bihon noodle,
Noodles with mushroom. Only with mushrooms. Yeah. What else?
Pork.
This one, what is chicken. How much? 22. Okay, rice.
rice, thin rice,
Yeah,
thin
plain
rice,
plain
yeah,
rice. Yeah.
rice.
Yeah, can we eat?
Take away?
No,
in
we
here?
eat.
In here, okay. Okay.
Oo. Kain kami dito. Sir Manny. May papel pa siya.
What's our order? Secret Tiger, but no San Miguel beer.
No beer.
Oh, and you can plus. That is
yes.
This is US dollar.
Yes.
Sing dollar.
Yeah, Singapore.
Sing dollar. Yeah. Gusto mo beer?
Oh, what? May beer ba?
Ha?
May beer?
Oh, Heineken. 2 bottles. Two Heineken.
Okay, two Heineken. Okay, kan.
This also is
Beer
Sing
Ah,
pa
dollar.
kami.
yes,
Yeah.
dollar. Okay.
Tomorrow again we'll buy 2 beer. Heineken. Every day until we stay here.
Cheers. Saka rice. Oh,
Cheers.
Ito naman picture yan.
Ayan,
Oh.
cheers.
Wow,
Oh, chicken.
Ayan, sarap yan.
Ayan.
What's this? Soup?
Which one?
Ito?
Magcha-chopstick tayo. Kung marunong tayo. Marunong.
Sarap. Gusto mo?
Haba ng chopstick dito Haba oh.
Hindi ko pa naka sa Japan eh. Sarap yan. Oh, good.
Chicken also.
No,
Pork
pork
ribs.
ribs. Pork ribs. Yeah.
Pork ribs.
Kunin mo na yan.
Sir, everything is served.
Yan, okay, thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Enjoy your meal daw. O kaya i-enjoy na natin to habang nasa Singapore. Credit card ang bayad ni Sir Manny.
Credit card. Dollar na mo.
Tingnan natin tong pork belly. Uy, juicy. Uy. Sarap nito. Ano to, pipino? Yan.
Hindi.
Parang pipino sa Pilipinas, oh.
Pipino na. Hindi radish.
Sabay may beer.
Ito masarap po.
Salamat po, Sir Manny Kumya.
Nung dito ko, dahil yan ang mga pinapasok ko, hindi yung mga tourist ay sa hotel, ang ano rito sa Singapore, tuwing umaga, medyaryo at saka maraming apple sa pasilyo.
Ganun.
Yun eh, kinukuha ko to yung umaga. Wala, ano to, grocery.
Grocery. Fruit and vegetable.
Hindi,
Flowers.
mga... Tapong...
Ganito pala palengke rito. Social, oh.
Yan.
Linis. Guys, ito ang palengke dito. May mga apple, oh. Avocado. Mais, inihaw na mais. Lalaki ng sampalok. Ito, mga binalatan na mga prutas. Mga wine. Grapefruit to, 19. Apple, 545.
Magkano yun? 5, 40, 200.
Sibuyas maliliit. Luya. Turmeric.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Yung turmeric mo.
Pinasar din. Ang daming inumin dito, guys. Oh.
Whiskey better, you can keep here. Because you say everyone will come back, right?
Gin, vodka, Japanese whiskey, rum, gin,
You want a single malt
Rose.
whiskey or Japanese whiskey? Or bourbon?
may malaking anak pa doon.
Which one? The bourbon? Very hot. So you want a room single malt?
No. 4,000. Soju. Oh, no. Kasi painumin ko siya eh, si General Ganun.
Anong,
Wine for so that I can sleep.
Red wine. You want red wine?
Yeah, which is
for good sleep?
oh yeah.
For sick. Drunk.
Yes.
Everyone alcohol can drunk.
No, I'm
Then
not.
drink whiskey faster.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's right.
Don't like to be alone, to be drunkard.
Because the alcohol is more higher than the wine.
Yes.
That's why I say drink whiskey, you faster get drunk. You say you want to get drunk, huh?
This one would be. Do you think this is good?
It's good, but it depends what type you want. You want a fruity, not fruity?
This is good.
You want higher alcohol? This one. Most people like.
This one higher alcohol. What's that?
14% alcohol, 14.5 alcohol.
14.5.
Full body.
What's the?
Drink, good sleep.
Good sleep. How much is that? 78.
78. That's expensive.
How much you looking for?
SGD?
$50.
Something 50. 50, 14. 50, around 1,000. Yeah.
50, yeah.
Can he use like a credit card here?
Yeah, okay. Why not? This one?
Giant. That's very big giant.
It's a fruity side. I mean, but easy to
Cabernet,
drink.
yeah.
Yeah, really easy.
But I like this one.
Just get the one. Follow your heart.
Anybody?
Anything.
Anything.
Okay.
Yeah, you like
Okay. Thank you.
Right?
Yeah.
When you come back in Singapore, come
Yeah.
back.
Yeah, okay.
He come back.
Any,
No,
for me.
next time I will buy it.
Alright, have a good night. See you again.
Thank you.
Kasama ka ba sa meeting sana, Tuesday?
Yes, sir.
Doon sa President sana? Yung Sheraton na yun, doon ako na palagi naglalasing.
Talaga?
Sa ilalim doon, merong beer house.
Ano din raw?
Oo, club. Tapos, tsaka ano, bigla.
Malit, pumunta ka ba ng golf course buwan?
Maambon.
Lalo.
Tawid-tawid.
Tingin sila sa dinadala kong ano, red wine.
Uh-huh.
Bilis ng ano rito. Pwede sa senior citizen.